Hello world, Darin Martineau here from Master Magic Shop. In this video, I want to talk about my new project, which is called the Torn and Restored Card Project. And this is 10 video downloads, and it's incredible new card magic routines around the Torn and Restored card. So what I have on here is I have a comedy Torn and Restored card, which will work for Parlor. I have Torn Deck Mystery by Ed Marlowe. It's my modernized handling of that. I also have a new Torn and Restored card that goes along with that, with a new and different method. I have the Half a Miracle, the half card to wallet, which was shown to me by Jerry Andrus. Next, I have the new Torn and Restored card with my multiplying signature. Really cool effect, really original effect on here. A lot of original material on here. I have a new visual Torn and Restored corner. I have a new Torn Restored corner of the card to anywhere with a visual restoration on it, which is my own original. I have my original Tiger Torn Restored card, which is based on the Paula Paul Torn Restored card. And I have a variation of David Williamson's Torn Restored Transposition, and this is a completely different method, and I think you'll like it. Very, very cool. It's almost self-working trick. It's a new torn restored transposition variation. Then I have a torn corner to anywhere, including a torn corner to a sealed sugar packet on here. So if you love the torn restored card like I do, and you want to see some new original material with it, click on the link and get this today. Thank you very much.